Hi Mantasha, welcome to the conversation.
Thank you so much for welcoming. Good afternoon, and how was your day and how are you doing?
Well, so far I had so much in my mind about the day, but nothing came into the proper execution and the way I had planned it. But still, I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic that some of it I can utilize better. So, what about you?
Yeah, it was good so far, but today it was little bit like I didn't feel good. My health, there is like I was not feeling to have conversation. There is little bit hectic as well. I couldn't wake up early. That's why my mood is not like I'm not good in mood.
Sometimes we are into that mode where, we don't feel like doing certain stuff. And what is my take on that? Whenever I feel low, I just get dressed up and I charge myself by, beautifying my own self. So I put on some good clothes, some good makeup. So when I look at myself in the mirror, I feel good about myself. So that's how I feel charged. So everybody has their own
Yeah.
idiosyncrasies, no? This is my idiosyncrasy. So what do you do when you feel low? Is there anything that cheers you up?
Yeah, there's nothing special, but I just like, as you said that I just like to do some makeup and just do like take selfie and talk to my friends and just like watch reels, funny reels. So it just charged me.
Right. Friends, talking about friends, that brings me on a very interesting topic. Having friendships is very important. So, social life, it is like it charges you up. So, sometimes, when
Exactly.
we are feeling low, we talk to our friends and we get a second wind. So, it's very
Hmm.
important to have friends in life. So, but somewhere, having said that, I also believe that we make friends early in life a lot, but as we move into adulthood, it becomes quite difficult to strike up new friendships, and somewhere we are a bit laid back or a bit conserved as a personality. So, how do you strike up new friendships at this age? Are you able to do any?
Even I don't have many friends in my real life, but if I talk about online, I have many friends. So I have good connection with them because they have the same nature as I have. I'm very kind. They are also very kind, same like me. And like, but I don't make too much friends because it's like it is impact on our study, on concentration because we can't give time, right? So I just make I have few friends online. I don't have offline friends, but I just spend my time in evening time with them, and it makes me happy as well. And it's not about just for fun way. I just do practice with them. English practice we do, and just we pull like they late each other's like we make funs and enjoy as well. So it's kind of very and what I truly think on the other hand that networking is very important, whether it's friend and whether it's other people. We should have connection of all like with all lots of people. I think it's not about only
Mhm.
friends.
Yes, having connection with a lot of people. Networking, it helps us grow personally. And there are a lot of things we learn from networking only. And regarding friendships, I believe birds of a feather flock together. That's what they say. So, the kind of person you are, the kind of people you attract in your life. But somewhere, as we start growing as a person, so our taste also and our liking for certain kind of personalities also keeps changing. So perhaps
Yeah,
that's the reason somewhere down the line we become a bit picky about, the kind of people we hang out with.
exactly. Yeah, because now the kind of people we spend time, right? So we become we become like them slowly, I think. Some like
Yes.
I just observed this thing. So we should just I was very cautious in my from my since my childhood that whoever
Mhm.
I make friends, like so I feel that they should be very studious. So I'll become studious like them.
So, yes, your company says a lot about the kind of person you are. So, choose your company quite wisely. Be cautious about who you hang out with because you tend to pick on the other people's habits, their habits, their mindset. It rubs off on you. And uh, they say na attitude is contagious. So, you catch the
Yes,
attitude
yes,
of other person
exactly.
as well. Right.
Yeah, attitude is contagious.
Okay, tell
Yeah,
me
you are
apart
right.
from hanging out with friends, how do you like to spend your idle time?
I love to sing song in my ideal time and spend my time with my mom, talking to her. And I just most of the time I spend time with my friends, online friends, because there is my sister is not at home. My brother also is busy in his study, so I feel alone. And my mom also gets busy in watching serials, so I am only my phone. So I just spend time with my online friends. So they are learner like me. They also study of English, practice speaking. So it helps me
Hmm.
in my community, like in English as well as I do fun with them as well. Yeah.
Well, you mentioned there about singing. I also love singing, or shall I say, loved singing? I don't know. Because in my early days, I used to sing non-stop. Rather, I was nicknamed as FM radio by my by my housemates,
Same
by
here.
my sister especially. She used to call me that. And I used to sing a lot of, classical, Indian classical music, ghazals. And later on, now I'm mostly into Bollywood music or whatever strikes the chord of my heart, whatever song I like. And I like to play it also on piano sometimes. And that is something that
I
rejuvenates
like
me.
guitar as well. Do you like guitar?
Yeah, I do, but they say I haven't learned to play anything. It's just the natural gift that I have been endowed with. But I don't know how to play chords or anything. So, the sur recognition that I have. So, I play it like sitar. So, it's so funny. It's so funny. So, that way I only play the, sounds. So it's not good. Anybody who listen to it won't feel good, but my heart feels good
Yeah.
when I play it. So, but you know how to play it the right way, do you?
No, I don't know, but I'm very fond of learning it, how to just play it.
Yeah, having hobbies in our life, it's very important to rejuvenate
Exactly.
ourselves, to feel good about ourselves. It kind of, gets gives us a sense of purpose. So, and also it breaks us
Yeah,
free
it
from the
helps us to
mundane.
like to not go in like what do we say? I forgot that thing. Like distraction. It helps us to resist from like go like social media. Like we use social media a lot. So instead using social media, we should just spend time with the hobbies, I think, right?
Yes. And is there something like, apart from singing and music, what else do you like?
Apart from singing, there are lots of things traveling as well, but I can't go anywhere. But I love to traveling.
If you have to travel to one dream destination, you must have thought in your mind, no, if I get everything that I want, the time, the money, and the means, I would love to explore this place. What would that place be?
The first place is in India, Kashmir, and the second, like it's like Australia. I want to visit. Yeah,
What actually attracts you to Australia? What is it that entices you?
Australia. Yeah, it's kind of good country, nice developed country. And I heard from a woman, like a lady. She mentioned about that it is very nice country. There is no crime. There's compared to America, so it's very safe country for girl and very beautiful as well.
Yeah, I would like to explore Europe someday, and especially Paris. I watched that. I believe everybody must have watched that Emily in Paris series on Netflix. I love the way they portray the city on screen. It's so beautiful. Everybody just adorned in beautiful clothes, and the landscapes are also quite attractive, and especially the Eiffel Tower. I would love to see it. And also, I have this, image in my mind from Yash Chopra movies, the Swiss mountains and all those. I want to explore the greenery, the lush green Europe, as it is portrayed in Yash Chopra's movie. I would love to see that sometime.
And what about Kashmir? Do you like? Do you wanna visit?
I would like to go. Yes, somebody, a neighbor of mine, they went to Kashmir on their honeymoon. They were telling me that it's really beautiful, the mountain ranges and everything, the lake, Dal Lake. So you
I
must
like what
explore
is
it. They were
really attract me the dress style of girls. I really like that things in
the
Kashmir.
Firan, the what is that
Yes,
uh,
the
traditional
way they
attire called?
dress.
I think it is
Yeah,
called Firan,
traditional.
right?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
Ah,
there's something.
the
The way
intricacies
they
of the
throw the scarf
embroidery.
as well. It's very
Yeah,
attractive,
yeah.
right?
Yes, yes, yes. And the language also. I am fascinated by, their soft language. They speak really soft. Urdu,
Yeah.
in particular, it is very soft spoken language compared to my native Punjabi. We are very loud people. We are quite loud, but I love my Punjabi culture as well.
Yeah, but I like Punjabi language very much.
Yeah,
My
I
mom
also.
also
And
speak in
Punjabi
this
songs,
language.
especially for. Yes?
Mm. My mom knows about it little bit this language because she spent time with they're like they have she has the friend Punjabi girls, so that's why she knows some phrases in this language.
Yeah, Punjabis they are very, open-hearted people. They welcome everybody in their lives very warm-heartedly. And especially, no party is complete without Punjabi music. And if you want to groove, you must play on the Punjabi music and Punjabi food, of
Yeah,
course.
I really like the lassi of in Punjabi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now you are making me feel nostalgic. So, what else are you going to do today after this? Anything particular on mind?
I'll take another session after this. I'm thinking to take two, three session. It's been long time. I didn't take any session, so I thought, yeah, I should do it. At least two, three session I should take in a day. It's important.
Oh, for practice, for conversation
Yeah,
practice.
for practicing. Yeah.
Right.
And then I'll just help my mom. Tomorrow is Sahari. It's Ramazan. It's
Do you
like
cook also?
tomorrow is first Ramazan. I cook as well. I help my mom. I know some dishes, not much. My mom do it only. I do other work. Yeah. I'm not immersed in cooking much, but yeah, but my I help my mom.
Right. So I think it's pretty much we are done here.
Mm.
So
Yes.
anything else in your mind if you would like to discuss?
Yeah, I want to know about like how your YouTube is going on.
Well, I do believe that I'm getting the traction that I wanted, and I am doing the stuff that I enjoy. I am putting on the presentation videos that I enjoy the most, and only today I uploaded a video after a lot of hard work. I put in a lot of hard work into editing and all. I enjoyed it a lot. So I think it's going good, and I always remind myself that YouTube is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So I just have to keep going, and someday I'll definitely reach there where I want to.
It's very optimistic mindset you have.
Yes. And
That's
especially,
nice. Yeah,
when you do what you love, then it doesn't feel a burden.
exactly. I completely resonate with you. Same here. Like sometimes I feel that why I'm not growing like that. Still, I'm putting more efforts, but I don't feel now. I feel that yeah, I have to be just make consistency, be continue. I have to continue this journey. Whether I'll get, it will take time. It is not about night. Like it's about like it's a long journey, and everyone's in this thing. Like everyone's doing putting the efforts, but we should believe in our efforts only.
Right. And you know what? One thing also I have noticed, when you start comparing yourself to other people, no, that's when I feel your confidence and everything starts going south. So I have
Mhm.
stopped comparing myself completely. I am perfect in what I do on my own. So that is what I keep telling myself now. And the role models that I had when I started this journey, I had some role models in my mind, and I look up to them. And there was a path that I got deviated into, and I started looking up to the people, you know, that actually I don't want to be like, but still I compared myself that why I'm not growing that much. But then I remind myself, this is not what I want to be. I want to be the ones whom I followed when I started. So it is going to take time. So I will get there, but it is just going to be a bit slow.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. Yeah, things change and our time will also come, I think, if we are putting
And
efforts.
yeah, and never compromise on quality over quantity. That's what I believe. So instead of putting on a lot of videos which do not have quality, my focus is on quality, even if it is less. For the past 6 months, I
Mhm.
was putting just one video a week. Can you believe that? So now I'm putting on 3 videos a week. So, but quality videos. Even if it is just this
Yeah.
conversation, I try to, bring that quality to the people. I am trying to put up even the meanings of the words there so that they don't have to open the dictionary app or anything while they are listening to the conversation. Everything is available to them readily. So I am doing what is in my means. So rest is just up to the audience.
It's really great. You are helping others and yourself as well.
Yes, this is something that I enjoy. So if it helps anybody, then it's my pleasure only. Okay, then I guess we'll catch some other time again. And I
Yeah.
wish you to grow by leaps and bounds. I wish that your YouTube channel grows soon and you gain that traction that you had always wanted to have.
Yeah, you too as well. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
appreciating and wishing.
Thank you. Thank you so much for connecting with me. Have a
Yeah.
nice day.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye.